Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming the flight type and punch tip. Different materials require different pressure. Hold the shaft firmly in one hand, insert the flight so its seam aligns with the punch opening, and squeeze deliberately. This ensures a centered hole. Once done, pull the flight straight out to avoid tearing. You do this first punch to create a precise entry point. It reduces stress on subsequent punches and prevents splitting, so make sure alignment and steady pressure are consistent before repeating. Once the first hole exists, work methodically. Apply partial pressure on the punch, then complete the cut to avoid sudden shear that tears thin flights. If you need multiple holes or a specific pattern, rotate the flight slightly between punches so the holes sit symmetrically. Inspect each hole edge, and if you see burrs, lightly file or sand about 0.5 mm to ensure stems seat cleanly. This careful, staged approach preserves flight shape, and you finish by fitting the punched flight onto the stem and pressing until it seats flush. A gentle wiggle confirms stability and proper alignment. If the hole is oversized or the flight tore, don't force it. Trim ragged edges or replace the flight to maintain balance. For minor seam splits, apply a tiny drop of glue and clamp briefly to set. If misalignment persists, repunch with a fresh flight and check punch sharpness, because a dull tool causes most failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.